This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $500 in 1 hour with this one app. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please hit that like button and drop a comment down below, and drop a creative comment, because sometimes I like to give a shout out to a person that has the most creative comment in the comment section. So leave a comment. Also, if you have anything that you'd like to ask me about this video today, leave that in the comments also. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped. Now, I'm not going to waste you guys' time. I'm going to go ahead and jump into this method right now. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can get paid $500 in 1 hour with this one app. So let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm in the Apple App Store. I'll tell you the name of this app in a few minutes. So basically, this app is a lotto app. So you're going to be playing the lotto for free. Okay, it says here, play for free with daily prizes up to $1,000. Collect as many tickets as you can for free. Match the first 4 numbers in the same order to win. Daily draw is at 1900 hours Greenwich Mean Time, which is GMT time. Daily hints about the winning numbers. So they give you hints about the daily numbers so you get a good chance to win. And get 6 numbers in the same order to win $500. So all you have to do is get 6 numbers in the same order, and you'll be able to win that $500. Okay, let's go ahead and read a little bit more about this app. Okay, it says here, daily prizes up to $1,000. Daily raffle, which is the name of the app, is a risk-free app with a daily prize starting from $100 up to $1,000. This is not like any other game. The chances to win is very high. Each ticket consists of 6 numbers between 1 and 9. To win, your numbers should match at least 4 of the ticket shown in the results at the end of each day. Daily raffle is free and does not require any in-app purchases. So you don't have to worry about doing any in-app purchases. You can transfer the money to your PayPal account or Bitcoin wallet. The winner ticket is randomly generated before the draw starts. Its hash will be shown in the results page. At the end of the day, the winner ticket will be revealed with the key that was used to hash it. You can verify the integrity of the result by using the numbers of the ticket and hash it with the key given at the end using HMAC-SHA512 algorithm. Now, you're probably saying, what's this hash? Well, it's kind of hard to explain right now. Take me a minute, and I don't want to make this video too long. So once you guys download this app, they're going to explain what the hash means. And once you understand the hash, you're going to say, okay, I understand. This is really good that they have the hash, because it lets you know the integrity of the results of the ticket. So it lets you know they're not trying to cheat you or anything. So let's scroll down here and see the rating for this app. So out of 5-star, this rating is 4.7. That is a high rating for this app. You know, most apps are 4.2 or even lower. So this is a real good app. So let's read one review right quick. This one review right here says, easy money for free. Easy money with just a click. It's like playing the lotto, but for free. Even tickets are obtained by only watching an ad. No money, no hassle. We are much in need of such apps nowadays. Hats off to the smart person behind this application. Keep them coming. So in this review right here, this person explains how they get their tickets. So you're going to be watching an ad to get your tickets, which is very simple to do. So that's it about this app. So if you're ready to start making $500 in 1 hour, go ahead and download this app. Again, it's called Daily Raffle app, and it's available on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. All right, now you know the one app you can download right now and start making $500 in 1 hour. So go ahead and download that app and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button and help me get to like 100 likes, guys, because the more likes I get, the more this video will be shown on YouTube by more potential subscribers, because I'm trying to grow as fast as I can. More subscribers I get, the more my channel will grow, and the more I will repay you guys with more legit content to make money online and free money and giveaways. So please hit that like button for me. Also, drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. Please drop a creative comment, because sometimes I might pick a comment that I like and shout you out in one of my videos. So drop that comment down below. And please share this on the internet everywhere, because I truly want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss and be financially free. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this almost every day. And one more thing, check in the description below. I have a lot of cool stuff you guys can benefit from. I have like a link you can click on and get $5 right now. And I also have a link you can click on where you can start making money on autopilot. So click on that link where it says my #1 recommended site to make money on autopilot. Check all that out in the description below. All right, that's all I have for this video. Again, Grind family, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always supporting the brother. I appreciate you. I salute you guys. And one last thing before I leave, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
This is Grind TV.